Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. We move it slowly because there are two people in there. Yeah, today I finished at 2 o'clock, but I sign out, I think maybe already 2:20. Yeah, because I needed to use the toilet. So I was in the toilet for maybe 10 minutes. It is now starting to get hot in the kitchen. Yeah, this morning I was sweating while working. Yeah, especially this coming summer, I'm sure I'll be sweating too much. Yeah, I don't know, maybe the air condition is standard and they are not fixing it, or they are not adjusting the temperature, summer, winter, or in any season. Yeah, it's just good to be working in the kitchen in the winter because yeah, it's not hot, you don't get sweating. Even if you are wearing a 2-layer like a t-shirt or sando and your chef's jacket, there's no so much sweating. I mean, no sweating. Oh, there are two biker. They are a couple. We go this way because I saw that there are many people on that side, and there are bikers and there are people walking their dog. So we go this way. It's easier. Watching seabirds fly. Oh, amazing! There are many people in there at the moment. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, more than 100 people from here all the way to that side. Yeah, nice. Look at that, it is so beautiful again today. I can see those pelican and the water is really calm, but it's slowly moving. There are some people walking around in there. Nice. Time to make me cry. Oh, look at this kind of flowers, looks different. Look at these cars. These cars for me are beautiful and expensive looking. Sure it is. It is now 3:16 and I'm doing my laundry. Yeah. And the floor is not clean. Yeah, because it's been a week that I'm not cleaning the floor. Because when I finish my work, I come here and I edit video. Yeah, now I'm preparing my meal. I have this rice cooking. I'm going to cook this again, sardines. And I'm going to put some of this frozen vegetable. Also, the last egg. Yeah, I don't have any more inside, as you can see. I still have that chicken. That one. Yeah, but if you look at it, there's none. I have cheese, but not today. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to the grocery. I have mixed vegetable, sardines, egg, rice. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 5:40 in the morning and I'm going to work. I left the house at around 5:38. Yeah, 2 minutes from the house and I am now here. Yeah. Amazing, look at that, it's really calm and the sun is rising on that side. and we're going now. Yesterday I started my duty at 5:30 in the morning because Chef Matt asked me if I can come 5:30. So both of us come 5:30 because just the two of us yesterday. And you know, during summer in this area, when you are biking in here, there are so many flies in here. Yeah, chasing your face. You feel them in your nose, in your mouth, sometimes getting inside the mouth, in the eye. Yeah, so during summer when I'm passing here, I always cover my face like this. That's what friends are for. It is now 5:49 and I'm here in our locker. Yeah, it was just around 10 to 15 minutes drive. Can be just 10 if I run past. And you know, it's still cold if you are on a bike. Yeah, that's why I'm still wearing this. And even in the summer, morning is this cold. Yeah, and we'll see you later this afternoon. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Oh, look at that. There is two beautiful bike. Yeah, they are Merida. Merida is one of the expensive, popular brand of bike here in Australia. Yeah, they have both electric and normal push bikes. I think they are a Taiwan company. Oh, there are some people in there. They are preparing their things for kite surfing. If you see that color blue thing, yeah, that's a kite surfing stop. A new world, a new horizon to pursue. No one to take us, no. And where I go, in a whole new world, a whole new world with you. Unbelievable stuff. And today is very good because I succeed again. Yeah, because you know, yeah, I mean we finished our job early, and because of that I was able to help the other guys for their preparation of their mise en place. Yeah, so basically I did the flatbread, I did washing the potatoes and some other stuff that usually it's the closing guys who do the job. Yeah, that's basically my daily goal, to finish the job early. I mean, to finish the things early and then help the other guys and then go home on time. Yeah, that's my daily goal. But of course there are instances that I need to stay longer. Yeah, staying longer happened only when it's, of course, when it's busy. Sometimes the chef will ask you to stay a little bit longer, or sometimes you feel the need to stay. Yeah, that's basically how it works. Okay, we go this way because there are people in there. Oh, nice bike. And bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me. Because my shoes is not clean today, we are not going to the Woolies. Instead, we're going to the Asian store. I actually need to go back because I also need to get money from the ATM machine. Because if I go to Walmart, I can also withdraw money from their cashier machine. We were going to take some of this onion. This is $3 per kilo. Yeah, I took 4 pieces. Oh, look at the egg. This is the last. Yeah, last three of this 1 dozen egg. This is $3.50. Now there are two. This egg is the most affordable of them all. We're going to take one of this macaroni. This is just $1.20. I'm also going to take 2 packets of this. Yeah, this is instant noodles crab flavor, and it's just 65 cents. This is enough because I don't have space on my backpack.